Well, sometimes I understand that, Gimbal. Sometimes I just want to give up too. Um, but then I quit being dramatic. I mean, eventually I do. All right, moving on. Let's see. Lovely river. Now where's this stupid bridge? It's turning into a dash. It's starting to get to me dashing from one thing to the next. That's all right. We'll see the bridge, and then if that's what this is, um, watch for visiting upstairs. More photos upstairs. What? Ticket control. Is this the Chua Chow? Chow? Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh my goodness. Is it being renovated? Is that what's going on? I mean, they really shouldn't charge for it if they. Oh, whoa! It's a whole construction site going on. That's some serious business, whatever it is. Chuaco, Chuaco, Chua, Chua, Chuaco. I think it's Temple Bridge. Yeah, that's where it is. That was the little bridge we were just looking at. So all this construction is that. Oh, it's interesting. I'm assuming that's the temple part that's connected to the bridge, but it's not actually on the bridge. It's not on top of it. Wow, it's being totally reconstructed. And here's the. I mean, I'm glad he didn't take the ticket because that would be that's a real rip off. I didn't realize before we walked up the stairs this was what was going on. Wow. Well, all right. I mean, it's a miss for now. It's a very famous site. They are preserving the tiles. They're going to reinstall the original tiles. Man, they tore it down though, right to the bones. Well, I hate to burst people's bubbles when they think they're seeing it. I remember I went with my ex to Beijing, and we went to the Great Wall, and we were walking around. And I'm reading out of the guidebook, and I'm like, well, the section that we're currently on was rebuilt in 1964 or whatever year it was. And he's like, rebuilt? What do you mean rebuilt? How are they? I was like, well, you don't think this is the original 5,000-year-old structure, do you? And he was upset. He was like, what? What a ripoff. Things get rebuilt and renovated if they're, I mean, you do redo your kitchen if it's 20 years old. So I guarantee a 5,000-year-old structure has been renovated and rebuilt several times. Otherwise, it falls apart. Things just don't last that long. Even concrete doesn't last forever. It lasts a long time, but not forever. Nothing lasts forever, folks. It's just life. And there you go. That was that. Now, let me check the battery. Okay, looks lovely. Well, look, I'm going to put these up while I check to see our next destination. Because this is technically the Japanese covered bridge. It's just that it's covered in construction right now. All right, next site, the Fung Hung House. Fung Hung. Okay. Okay. Fung Hung, where you at? Oh, easy to find. Okay. Japanese covered bridge. We loved you, and now we have to leave you. Delete. Okay. Moving on.